Hey everybody, this is Tillman with the Landscape Company of Virginia Beach. And today we're going to do a quick how-to video on how to change an air filter in a BR800X STIHL backpack blower. This simple maintenance plan can keep these blowers running stronger, longer, and more fuel efficient all year long. Let's get right to it. Okay, so what you're going to need for today's project: a standardized star bit steel tool. This is what you're going to use to help loosen and tighten any bolts on this machine. Okay, we have two located on the left side of the blower. We've already loosened them up so where this can slide out, and this will show you how the air filter goes in. This is the old one. Not too much debris in it, but as you can see, it does get some wear and tear from all the pollution and all the dust and debris that's flying in the air. So we're gonna get rid of this old one. While you're here, give the blower a quick once over. Check your spark plug. Give the recoil area a little blow off. And make sure your fuel filter looks clean in the tank. These small steps keep your equipment running at peak performance. And here is our new OEM STIHL air filter. What a difference. I'm going to insert this one like so, put it back in here, and tighten up these screws. Like I said, with the standardized STIHL star bit tool. They will also give you these when you purchase one of your STIHL products. So always keep it handy. That's what you're going to use to maintain your machine. Okay, so we had the new one, and we already pre-cleaned the inside of these machines, but that's why we have the simple green here in the spray bottle. This will take care of any of the debris, any of the oil on the inside of this cover, to where you can keep your machine nice and maintained. All right, so that's what you're gonna get. And just like that, you're done. A brand new air filter in your BR800X STIHL backpack blower. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more lawn and landscape how-to videos from the Landscape Company of Virginia Beach. See you on the next one.